Since Martin Sunshine introduced color vision in the 1930s, it has become one of the most iconic and beloved magic props of all time. A true classic found in the case of beginners, hobbyists, and professionals alike. Its simple appearance and deceptive method have inspired countless variations over nearly a century.
Now, creator Kev G and TCC Magic proudly present the next evolution of this legendary effect, Sith Sense. A participant places the cube into the box, closes the lid, and keeps everything completely out of your hands.
So, your color is...
Yet you can instantly
blue.
reveal the exact color or pattern they chose. Repeat the demonstration, and you can even predict their choice before they make it.
But that is only the beginning.
Sith Sense also allows you to perform hands-off forces, instant cube solves, impossible matches or predictions, visual vanishes, predictions and reveals, and even cube routine integrations, and many more effects waiting to be discovered.
Use it as a standalone miracle or blend it seamlessly into your existing cube repertoire. Sith Sense takes the timeless principle of color vision
and enhances it with a cleverly engineered magnetic system built into the box and a mini puzzle cube, creating a modern, hands-off utility device unlike anything before it. Each Sith Sense unit is crafted from imported black resin using high-precision 3D printing. Every set is meticulously hand-assembled, with each magnet individually adjusted to ensure a flawless magnetic configuration and a smooth, reliable read every time. We include durable waterproof stickers and support custom applications so you can adapt the system to your own style and routines. In addition to the cube, we also include a customizable die, alongside ESP and blank stickers, expanding the range of themes and presentations you can explore.
Our in-depth tutorials walk through every detail, handling, and ideas,
so you can unlock the full potential of this unique design.
Sith Sense, a classic reborn for the modern magician.